Lorex has released a new generation in wire-free home security monitoring with LWB5801. This camera is made of high-quality, durable, aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, resistant to corrosion and impacts, made to the same professional-grade quality as all Lorex products. Front and center is the fact that the LWB5801 requires no cabling. This means the camera can be installed virtually anywhere. But add to that a number of unique features. A built-in microphone and speaker will provide crystal clear audio and two-way talk functionality. This camera features 1080p resolution, can be used indoors or outdoors. It is IP66 weather rated on the International Protection Rating System and can operate in temperatures from -4 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera has a massive field of view of 140 degrees and has a maximum night vision range of 150 feet with the help of 6 infrared sensors. The LWB5801 is part of the Lorex diurnal lineup of cameras. These wire-free cameras measure and detect infrared heat energy from objects to recognize motion patterns. The cameras only start to record once movement is detected. The camera is powered by lithium-ion batteries designed to be long-lasting, keeping recharging to a minimum. They are rated to operate between -4 to 158 degrees, making them reliable throughout the seasons. But the LWB5801 can also operate when plugged in using the included USB cable and power adapter. In some situations, an AC plug is located near the installation location. Simply pull aside the battery's protective silicone cover and plug in the micro USB connector. A silicone boot covers up the connection, keeping it weather sealed. The electronic contact points inside the camera housing are fully protected from the elements. Once it's slid into place, the battery is sealed off from the weather and held in place with metal tabs. For additional protection, Lorex has added a Torx set screw to keep the battery firmly in place. Simply tighten with the included Torx wrench. The LWB5801 kit includes a weatherproof articulating antenna that screws into the camera body chassis. Adjusting the camera angle is easy with the included Allen key. 3 set screws along the neck of the camera allow for 3 dimensions of angle adjustment. Also included in the kit are quick start guides to help with installation and camera pairing with the system. Lorex window stickers and self-adhesive cable hold-downs are also part of the package. Hex and Torx keys are included in the system. Along with that, a unique hook mounting plate used to connect the camera to the mounting surface. The LWB5801 delivers high-quality imaging in an easy-to-install system that will provide years of great home monitoring.